Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you all the best elastic band placement to make your wig glueless. If you're interested, definitely stay tuned. The wig that I'll be using come from Ashimary hair, like Ashimary hair. So I received these little goodies. Next time, send me a nude caps only. I have a 30-inch 6x6 straight 250% density closure wig. This is the hair. This is how the inside looks with the combs and a pre-plucked, very small knots hairline. Loved it. I was super excited about this wig because I was like, yes, I could finally show you all how I do the elastic band method. So all I use is a 1.5-inch elastic band. Along with that, I'm gonna need something to cut it with and a marker just so that I can mark my placement because I will be using the sewing machine. You can of course do this by hand, but what I'm going to do, as you guys see, I already customized and bleached the knots. I'm going to mark where I'm going to place my elastic band, and it's usually near the closure where I'm pointing right there. That's the best placement for the elastic band as it literally just stays in place on your head. So I'm just going to mark my placement right there. And I'm also going to make sure that there is no hair in the area that I'll be sewing. So here I am just measuring around the cap with the elastic band, like so. Once I have the length, I'm going to just cut and ensure that that is enough. Usually I'll put it around my head, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do it, you know, for clients and things of that sort. So like I said, I'm gonna make sure that there's no hair in that area. It's clean. And then I'm going to just use my sewing machine to securely add the band into this wig. I also do this for frontal wigs as well. I'm just gonna show you guys a finished result at the end of this I guess scene of the video. I'm just going to show you all the finished result of how it looks in a frontal wig, but this is how I typically do it for all of my closure wigs, especially moving forward, because I just see that the actual lace closure on the wig just lays a lot better, and it just allows for glueless, where I just always promote like glueless installs, no glue, because personally every glue that I've tried has just broke me out. So definitely a glueless girl. All right, so you guys see the finished result. It is in there securely, and I also do the same thing for frontal wigs. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks in a frontal. Typically, it's the same area. This wig came from my company, but if you guys want to see like a full depth frontal method, let me know. So I wanted to show you all how the actual 6x6 closure wig from Ashimary looked after I styled it and I placed it on my mannequin head. Look at that. That is 30 inches of goodness. The hairline, I plucked it. I styled it to the side. If you guys want to see more behind the scenes, definitely follow my wig page, Dolce Mateo Wigs. I did get on there the other day to show you all how I reinstalled this exact wig. I wasn't able to do the full install video, but I wanted to show you guys how it was super easy for me to put this wig back on after a few weeks of not wearing it. I took it out the pack and I just went ahead and threw it on like so. I grabbed some mousse to just lay the baby hairs once more, and that was it. So definitely check out Ashimary hair. I'll have their links down below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.